Come on.
General versus GNINC. Now number 17, dribbling the ball. Looking for number 10, Gaylan to number 5, Anadoli. Number 17, beyond the arc. Ito na siya. Number 30, 31. Looking for a teammate to number 4. Trying to do something by number 10, Dylan. And down the ball by number 4. Looking for sayang. Sayang, number 11. Naging ang bola pero hindi na pa rin. Kaya lang hindi bumasok. Last by number 2. Ball. Number 21, winning the ball. Now looking for someone to pass the ball to number 4. Number 4, and number 21. Parang ginabendo ko siya. Parang ginabasaan. Hindi mabitawa. Pero ang napagin. Masakit pa yung tuhod yan. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 21, beyond the arc. Three-point shot. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Back to number 8 to number 17, beyond the arc. Steal by number 25. Number 25, number 4, violation by number 11. Blue ball to number 17. Number 17, Pinanza, kaya lang na steal. Last shot by Gabriel. Oh, last pass by number 8. Number 25, binababa ang bola. Naghahanap ng papasarat. Now number 8, Kobe Bryant. Pass to number 17 on the arc. Did not make it. Number 31. This is the ball. Sayang. Sayang. Hindi na siya. Substitution. First time.
Minutes na yun? Coi thử Nguyên.
Di pumasok yung first free throw. Second free throw. Almost. Number 4 is Steve. Wala. Kaya lang nabitawan. Sorry. Kaya, no? Number 8 is down the ball to number 4. Number 4. Pero sa kanila pa ng bola, natawagan ng traveling violation number 7. Number 4. Nababa ang bola ng number 4. Nagalab na papasan na crossover. Pero kanina pa rin. Wow! What a team! Pumasok kapos ang bola sa number 88. Color blue. Ang nababa ang bola. Nasa kay number 0. Number 0 to number 4. Attack to number 88. Number 11. Dami-dalo. Nababa ang bola. At yeah! Pasok! What a shot by number 11. Number 0. Binalaba ang bola. Naganap ng papasahan na wicket na steal pero kanila pa rin. Alright. Nasa kay number 13. Nasa palapay pero nakalaban ng sound. Okay, 2 free throws by number 13. Wow. Second row.
Đừng có thầy là
Ang ito ang bayan. Nakalasin ang natin binababa ang bola.
He has done. He finished.
Tawagan ng double. Violation. Dahil ng color blue. Number 13 down the ball. Pinasa kay number 4. Number 4. Ito na po si Abarrietos. Binababa yung bola. Number 8 and number 7. Pero laging tako na ito sa PBA Oy! Sayang ang pumasok. Rebound by number 24. 11. Dribbling the ball to another side of the court. Number 28. A left. Layup. Pero hindi pumasok. Sayang. Naagay. Abarrietos. Pinasakay tutut. Wait lang. Kala ko matatawa. Number 4 to number 31. Oh, back. Galing sa napasa yun. Turn around shot. Di pumasok. Mawala ang Nieto. Back to number 13. Giovanni Nieto.
Last 1 minute.
Blue. Number 4. Rebound by JR. Number 11. Pass. Number 4. Pagkababa na lang wala si number 4. Tapos.
That's when you are. Miss the ball. Oh no, he drops the ball. 10 seconds.
Number 4.
Laban. He missed it.
Number 4. Yan na po sa banda.
30 seconds. He missed it. Last 17 seconds.
31. Oh, sayang, ang left is out. It's outside the court. Number 4. Nagbababa ng bola.
10 seconds.
Galit ang papasahan.
9 seconds.
This game is brought to you by ICBL, an Interchurch Basketball League. Let's go! Hitman versus Team. Let's go! Hitman versus Team. Alright. This game is brought to you by ICBL. Interchurch Basketball League. Number 21. And down the ball to 25. 25. Timeout muna. Oras na oras. Number 21. 21. Ganap ng papasahan. Pinasa kay number 4. What an ice! Sarap ganda talaga yung tasa na yun eh. Kita-kita yun.
We miss it. Number 10. John baby high.
Rebound by Jillian. Binakas kay number 17. Hindi pumasok. Kaya po, nag-steal number 4. Pinasa kay number 25. Pinalawat ang bola.
He's stupid. He's stupid. Number 5.
Rebound by number 3. Number 3, kumito. Lalaki ng papasahan. Sabi ko yung doon. Over. Binakas kay number 5. Hindi pumasok. Steal by JRS.
Pass it over to the Number 10 is over 3 points. And he goes.
3-point shot by number 24. Number 3, dahil ng papasahan. Umikot, turn around, pass to number 10. Number 10, hindi pumasok, sayang. Let's steal. Rebound by number 3 again. Number 17, dahil ng papasahan. Ilasak ang ganda. Sobrang lang ang tila to number 5. Pero nakakuha na. Shot. An act of shooting. Now it's beyond the future line. By number 5, First eliminated by number 5. Number 5 for the second show. Hindi pumasok pero rebound pa rin nila. Number 7, pinilabas ang bola. From the other arm, hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 5, but taken by number 4. Number 24. Nasa kay number 21 from the other arm. What a shot! 3-point shot by number 21. Number 8. Pinanaba ang bola, naghanap ng papasahan. Pumukot. Pinanabay ng lollipop. Number 11. Sayang. An easy bola by number 25, Maiden. Number 17, crossover. With that basket, number 3, nag-heavy, ang nagulaya, hindi pumasok, tapos rebound by JIL, na binababa ng bola ni number 11. Number 11 to number 21, trying to take a shot from the bar, but a cleaner shot from number 11. Nagmamadali si number 3, pinasok number 17, pero lumabas. It seems like there is some injury from JIA. Wow, sorry. What happened? Oh, this doesn't look good. You have to believe that. Oh, screen from number 11. This doesn't look good for JIL. Ipagpag mo! Ipagpag mo! Ipagpag mo! Sorry. It doesn't look good for JIL. But hopefully, brother, just be okay. Number 21. Pinasag ay number 24. Trying to make beyond the arc by number 25. Pero hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 5 to number 10. Number 10 to number 15. Nice pass. Number 31. Pinasakay number 25 from beyond the arc again by number 21, 3-point shot. Number 8, from beyond the arc, number 8. What a shot. Beyond the arc, man. I didn't see the foot. Number 25, a jump shot. Number 3, mamadali, binababa ang bola. Lumay Abu, pasok. Number 31. On the other side of the court, bababa ng bola. From number 21, beyond the arc, did not make it. Ito si number 3 na mamadali. A shot. A shot. Alright. So 5 out, 5 in. What teams? Medyo malaking kaya si number 11 sa JIL. Number 21 from beyond the arc again, pero hindi pumasok. But rebound pa rin nila. Nadulas ang bola. Last touch by J.I.L. Rebound. Number 13. Labas ang bola. Si number 13. Dribbling na bola. Kaya nagkakasahan. Relaxing na muna. Number 0 to number 13. Bumalik ang number 7 to number 9. Calculator. Line. Number 18. A dead shot by number 28. So, ito na si number 31. Ang J.I.L. Over, binigay kay number 25. Sa quick roll na. And the rebound na pa rin. Nakakuha ng foul. Wow.
Number 13, Galablo, third personal foul.
Person. Hindi pumasok. For the second and last throw, pasok. Number 13 to number 88. Nagbababa ng bola si number 88. Pressure defense by number 28. Meron na kayala. Binigay kay number 13. Number 13 naghanap ang papasahan. What a pass by number 13. Number 25. Nagbababa ng bola. Meron na papasahan. Binigay kay number 24. Ayan, rebound by number 9. Number 9. Tumawid na. Nabitawan ang bola. Last touch by Kennedy. Laban ng bola si number 31. Ganap na rin. Open at papasahan. Second ball. Trying by number 25 pero pressured by number 0 to number 25 na foul. Foul number 88.
Sit down. If no have, sit down.
Number 25 is down the ball to number 21 to number 25 again. Mga Filipino side step. Number 25. Did not make it. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Naghanap ng open shot. Ang nabigay ka. Number 7. Sayang. Number 25. Diretso. Nag-give up ang ito. Number 9. Sabi daw magandang muna ng laway. Nakalakad na maayos yung number 11. Ayan, nakakalakad na. Number 9. Tumawag ka ng bola. Tumingin ka sa kalikod. At diretso na. Pasok. By number 1 from coast to coast. Number 25. Bumili up. Lampas. Number 88. To number 10. Number 7. Hindi pinasok. Pero rebound.
40 seconds.
J.I.L. number 21, nagbabagang bola. Ayan, ang ganda ng basa kay number 21.
30 seconds. $20 seconds.
Time away, 20 seconds. Nagbabagali na si number 7.
10, 9, 8, 1. Only one that one. mga pagod ah. Yung mga naglaro po kaninang umaga, mga wala pong pagod. Ituloy nyo yan. Pampabata po yan.
29-26. GIL po ang naman. 29-26 lang po. 26-29. Eastman versus Eugene.
Nagasgas ah, mula free throw hanggang doon. Gasgas yung sapatos. Stephanie, new shoes please. Ikaw yung
Leaning
nasa side.
Steph Curry.
Ha?
Leaning Steph Curry.
Oo, nga nakita ko. Basta mahal yun. Why you don't sit down? I'll hold for you.
Next game, Eastman versus Eugene.
Technical yung number 8.
Number 2, the dribble. Masegas to number 4. Number 4 sa Bianda Hard to that made it. But rebound by JR, number 31. Number 31, nakababa ng bola. Lumea, shoot by number 31. Number 2. Nakitawa ng bola. Still good, number 2. Rebound. Number 4. Anong high throw? Ha?
Sabihin ko muna tong girlfriend mo. Nag-shoot eh. Huwag mo nang bibilangan Sir Ariel. Pagod na yan kaninang umaga pa.
Number 11.
Mang walang pagod yun.
Wow. Number 3, Hindi pa lang yun. Hard pala yung pero hindi.
Kung alam ko lang Sir Jerry, hindi na kita pinatakbo kaninang umaga. Hindi, pinapatakbo ka rin sila ni Tard. Ayos yan.
But rebound by number 10. Parang bihira lang nila.
Sino po mataas na ba? Very good ah. Stay there ah. That is rare.
Kaya daw muna siya. Dito muna ako pagod, sabi niya.
Jay, ayaw talaga pumasok, Jay. Huminto pa talaga dun.
Ang dami tayo maglalagay ng bola doon kasi talaga na. Number 31. Wala siya!
Kaninang umaga pa yan ah.
Number 3. Wala siya. Gawala yung down the ball. By number 2 to number 31.
Pagod na ako kaninang umaga.
Galing ako sa ball. Semifinals, NYCC.
Against
Against siya? Ano, basta naman?
Ano lang, coach?
Pag huli, hindi ko na nakita rin ah. Kasi ano si Mia, nagalaw na pasok sa baba.
Dek, inuwan mo yung
Bukas, bukas championship niya yung Mia. Diba yung mga bata yun? Mga bata pa yun ah. Oo, sabi sa akin yung under 15. Oo, yung 15 yun. Kung meron man talaga kayong matangkad na hit, lahat sila, labas ang laro eh.
Kung pwede lang yung dalawang minuto, hindi nakasali. May dalawa kang minuto, may dalawa.
Sayang, ba't hindi mo nagagawa?
2011,
Yung
2012 yung dalawa. So hindi sila
Ay banabalan mo lang.
ano yung matangkad din?
matangkad sa age na yung ano yung isa.
Minsan isa, yung point guard na speedy. Magaling naman yung Harper niya.
Oh, Harvard. Kaso, walang stamina.
Oo, kasi tamad din kasi.
Oo, tamad.
Oo. Alam mo yun, para sila sa pangalan. Pero, pagdating ng takbuhan, nauulit. Eh, yung paso.
And one by number 11.
Yung bata nila na tapos lahat yun, yung 18 na.
Double shot for number 11 from beyond the
Nasa
line.
Uwe, ata yung 18 na.
Rebound by number 10. Ang next rebound by number 4. One behind the back pass. Kailangan ng travel.
Management,
Travel violation.
No, somehow, Ning. Hindi na balik.
Hindi sinasabi. Training na alam mo yung nangyayari. Hindi ma-develop yung hindi mo makikita yung
Down. Like that. Nanalo nga kami against sisters. Yung mga veterano ba? Saan ko talo tayo sa action? Bakit talo tayo? Ano coach? Malaki din.
Oh, lalaki ng ano, ng kaso.
Malaki din ng sisters mo. Bakal na lang namin.
Hindi kasi sabayan sa edad eh. Kasi mga veterano. Doon nga ako natutuwa kasi alam ko nagagamit ko
Number 25. Number 25. Hinahanap ng papasahan. Nasa kay number 25 yan. Tumama sa
nakakuha mo. Pag pumito na yan, ano ba pinagagawa ka ba ba? Lamang kayo hulti eh. Ano lang kayo sa tingnan ko. Ano na?
Bago mo sa ibang player. Hindi yung kasi bakasyon lahat ng mga
Number 25.
Kaya nag-focus, balik-balik ka.
Number 4. Tuwagwesa. Turnaround shot. Rebound by number 10. Pressure by number 11 from JIL. Nakakuha ng foul.
Dahan-dahan lang nga, Sir Jerry.
Foul.
Pinatakbo na kita kanina eh. Yeah, patakboy mo ulit ni Sir Jerry ata.
Score 37-36 in favor to JIL.
5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Number 7 to number 1 from beyond the arc. Tapos na bola. Rebound by number 4. Pinasa kay number 21. Number 21 ang bababa ng bola.
Just tell the time later. I will tell you.
Number 10 lang from beyond the arc. Bigas! 7-8 yata. Napakalimutan ng shot na na. Wow!
Kakampi ko yan! Sa umaga!
Number 12. Gusto bumawi kaya lang tapos. Rebound by number 11. To number 31. Number 31. Pinasa again kay number 25. Nag-take. At tumira. This time hindi pumasok. Number 7.
Takbo na naman, Sir Jerry. Sige!
To number
Yun!
Rebound by number 31. Babalik.
Tira.
At tumira. From free throw line. Hindi na pumasok. Now. Rebound by number 17. Pinasa kay number 17.
Assist pala yun.
Para hinintay yung highlights nyo na, hindi yung points ha. Number 11, back to number 4, to number 21.
Sige, Pao!
Natapigan ng bola pero kanya pa rin.
Titira yan.
Kanina pa rin. Muntik lang kawa ng turnover. Beyond the arc, tapos ang tira ni number 4. Number 17. Rebound. Nabitawan. Still by. Number 41 to number 11. Nakakuha ng blocking foul.
Number 13, color blue. First personal foul.
More fouls to say.
Oh, third personal foul.
Fourth na, fourth.
3 minutes. Number 4. Number 4. Di pumasok. Number 7. Nasa kay number 2. Blue ball pa rin. Pinawagan na. Oh, 2 seconds by Minson. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Score, 40-38 in favor to JIL. Number 24 from beyond the arc. Voting pa yun. What a shot. Made by number 24. Number 9, Maribana Bola, Baliket. Nasa kay number 17 from beyond the arc. Pumasok. Rebound by number 31. Pass break to number. Kaya lang, steal. At save ball. JIL. Score. 43-38 in favor to JIL. 5 remaining. What a shot again! Mukhang pumutok na si number 24. Nangyayab by number 7, bumangon siya.
Partida, masakit pa tuhod niyan.
4 seconds. Again, number 24 from beyond the arc. This time tapos.
Okay. Good is
Okay.
Same Ami, right?
Number 7 to number 9. Number 9 to number 17. Masabi malalim. Rebounded. Follow up by number 9. Great shot by number 9. Time remaining. 1 minute. Score. One step. By number 4. Kaya lang hindi pumasok. Number 17. Alea. Number 9. Putback. Putback by number 9. Pasok. Number 24. Time remaining 39 seconds. Number 24 to number 21. Number 21. Sayang, hindi pumasok. Blue ball. Time remaining 31 seconds. Score 46-44 in favor to JIL. Number 17, blue ball. Pinasa kay number 7. Number 7 to number 9. Number 9, fail. Bilal kay number 7. Hindi pumasok. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Back to the ball game. Parang morning lang yun ah. Back to the ball game.
Score!
Nalakad lang.
46-44. In favor to
Sit down, eat. Yan lang.
End of the third quarter. Entering to the fourth quarter.
Ooh, the one ball.
Both teams prepare. Score 46-44 in favor of JIL.
Baha? Umuulan? Saan si Jobs? Ayan o.
Time remaining. 9 minutes.
Oh?
Inside the court.
Blue ball, blue ball.
Ball.
F1 Gabon, blue ball.
Blue ball.
Pagbigyan na natin si Jasper, uwi na eh. Blue ball.
Number 18, labas ng ball to number 17. Number 17, looking for open. From beyond the arc, a shot made by number 17. At a shot by number 17. Number 25, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay number 21. Nadulas ang bola. Last touch by VIL.
Tapon,
Number
tapon.
79, inbound the ball. Pass to number 3. Number 3 nagdadala ng bola. Oh, dribbling behind the back. Bitawan. Steal by number 17. Number 17. Trinay mag-nice layup. Pero hindi pumasok ang fifth foul.
They always day up.
Number 4.
Gola.
Foul. 2 shots from beyond the free throw line.
We do the
First goal.
fixing.
Now another chance for second goal by number 17. Number 17 did not make it. Rebound by number 10. That's from beyond the arc. A fake. Not a fake. A drop pass from number 10. Trying to shoot the ball. Score 49-46 down in favor to GBIMC. Number 21 made the shot. Number 2, ipamamadali, rebound. And kailangan ng foul.
Ew. They don't wash your hands.
Foul. Number 18. Labas ang bola. Number 17. Number 17, nagalat ng kapasahan. Nasa na number 10 to number 8. What a shot by number 8. Malapit na sila. Malapit na sila. From beyond the arc, number 21.
Bang!
Tapos ang bola, pero rebound ni number 11. Number 11, nakakuha ng foul from number 88. Number 21 to number late si number 11. Para hindi pumasok. Matulog sa ilalim. Number 2, break 2. Number 8, ang bilis nito nakakuha kaya.
We like that when you shoot.
Ganda tayo po sa by GIL.
Laki ng braso eh.
Number 8. Wow, shot. Counted.
What?
Number 4 to number 11.
Later.
Labanan mo. Kanina lamang yung JIL eh. Medyo nabutan sila ngayon. Bali sila ng mga fast break. Number 21, turn around shot. Hindi na pumasok. Ganda sana. Ito na si number 25. Nag-pick ng bola ni number 10 to number 8. Blocked by number 4. Oh, number 17 from beyond the arc. Giving the ball. Roman and traveling. Jesse to traveling. Violation.
Same Kenny ah. Kere.
Ball back the ball.
Kaya. Wala. Lose some kilos.
Number 11. Number 17. Layup. Pasok. Substitution. Number 19. Number 88. Out.
Dapat huwag palitan si Pastor.
Time remaining.
Huwag na magpahingayin
5 minutes and 19
Kulang yung
seconds
laro mo kanina umaki. Ito,
for the fourth period of the game. Score 55-48 in favor to GVIMC. Number 17. Nasa kay number 8. Wow, pass. Tanag JRL. Time remaining 5 minutes and 0.01 seconds.
Okay, you walk to the bench. Go again.
Score
Meto give you the back.
57-48
Not
in
yet.
favor to
Later.
GBINC. Next game, Ifman versus
Raymond! Raymond! Laro ulit ha. Matakbuhin mo yan ha. Pampabata.
turnaround shot from number 11. Maybe the foot's still hurting. Number 3, nakakuha ng foul. From beyond the free throw line. Now number 2.
Yeah.
Di pumasok ang second free throw. Rebound by number 21 from J.I.N. So number 25 na bababa ng bola, pressured by number 17. Pass the ball. Another thing over. Pass break the free to number 8. Nakahiti nila. Tumatami sa kanya. Number 35. Nagawaba ng bola. Mula siya kay number 25, Pimersa. Nagawa ng foul. Number 10. Foul, number 10.
3 minutes. Time out. Sorry.
Okay lang.
4 minutes.
Sanay naman na yung mga yan.
60-48 in favor to GBIMC. A shot from a free throw line.
Nice foul.
Number 21. I feel amazed to number 21. They coach John today. Number 31. Bababa ng bola. Pinasa kay number 25. Number 25. Nabalog ng papasahan. From beyond the free throw line. Nagawa siya ng foul. So this one is like an act of shooting. Substitution. For a
Best player ang habol ah.
first shot, may second shot from beyond the free
You
throw
know
line.
him, right? Every time he
Made it
plays,
again.
he eat. He always like that.
60, giving to GGIMC. Alam, napakalaking niya. What a shot by number 8. Number 4.
Dahil sa siopaw yan.
Pinasa kay number 11 from the shot. Hindi yung madali. Pero yun yun. Time out. BGC. Time remaining. 12 minutes and 48 seconds. Lose 10 seconds.
Did you see the high chair? You can see the
Wait. Committee timeout. Committee timeout.
How many years?
What a shot! Bang! Ay, number 8. Lupit talaga si number 8 ah. Number 4. Si number 21. Pressured by number 3. Bitawan ng bola. Pero rebound pa rin ang number 8. Si number 10, si number 17. Pero rebound ni number 10. Ayan na, bumalawin pa. Hindi nga lang, tumapit. Number 11. Galat yung papasahan. Si number 25. Number 25, Dumay. Binigay kay number 21. Sayang. Medyo late lang. Nag-conti si number 21. Time remaining. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Score 64-54 in favor to GBIMC. Number 3. To number 9. Number 9. Number 9. To number 8. Number 8. Again, number 8. Two shot by number 8. What a shot, Time remaining. 1 minute and 43 seconds of fourth quarter. Score 66-54 in favor to GBIMC. Rebound by number 10 to number 3. Ay bababa ng bola si number 3. Nagamit ng papasahan sa kanya. Okay, easy lang daw muna. Easy lang daw. Sabi niya. Relax. Relax lang daw. Relax. Nasa kay number 8 to number 8. Hindi na pumasok. Ayan, hindi mo si number 8. Number 25. What a running shot. Blue. Time remaining, 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Ang galing na lang, pinausap ako.
Time remaining, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Score, 66-56 in favor to GBIMC. Number 30 to number 0. Number 0, football ka. Still by number 11, tumatakbo, ihabol ni number 4, lumayang. He's probably bothered by his foot. Number 5 from behind the arc. Hindi pumasok. Number 30. Number 30. Pinasa kay number 0. Number 0. Shot by number 0. Pero made a shot. Alright. A layup by number 25 made it. Number 0. Number 0. Natakbo. Number 7. Moving the ball. Pinasa kay number 0. Hindi pumasok. Rebound by number 4. A pass break to number 11. The pass. It's probably bothered. Tapos na. Yeah, agreed. Congratulations. You did your best.